Okay, everyone. This video is going to be about linking MySQL to Microsoft Access. First thing first, you need WAM server as well as MySQL OBDC connector, and you can get those files free of charge on the website from MySQL Community Downloads. Let's go to download the connector, and you go to the WAM server and download whichever WAM server is appropriate for your machine. Right, so I have WAM server running here already. What I'm going to do is left click and go to PHP MyAdmin. Click on it. It's going to bring up the the PHP admin page, and I have already created a database here named assignment 2. Um, so basically, if you want to create a new database, you go to new, you type in a database name, and you hit create. It will come up just as this. But for this purpose, I'm just probably going to create a new table. In this case, just going to name this table something as usual. Hit go, um, color, there's anything in the fields, um, pot, size, cost. I'm just going to put these for now as varchar. Put the length as 15. So basically we just testing data fields here, and we're going to hit save. Right, so these are two tables that we have here. um, so what we're going to do here is open up Microsoft Access in administrative mode. Right, I'm just going to hit blank database, create database, close this off, and go to external data, new source data from other sources, OBDC data, link. You can choose the second option, machine data source. I have assignment 2 here, but again, for this purpose, I'm going to show you how to connect it. So it is going to choose system data, and we're going to select the MySQL OBDC. Hit next, hit next. I would want to name it some. It's going to give it a name. And we're going to type in the same password as root. This password is initially asked for when you open up PHP admin. So it is going to type in that same thing here, and we'll see assignment 2. That is the name here as the database. As you can see, hit test, and connection is successful. Um, then we're going to see our source information here. We hit OK. We could open up all of these tables, and what we're going to do is select the tables, the columns for editing. Alright, so let's go to flowers because that was the first one. Put in information. Um, uh, this would be 20. Right, so that information is filled in. Then we're gonna go to concrete. We're gonna right, uh, right. So that information as well is filled in both in the flowers table and the concrete table. So we want to get back to the PHP admin page. We go to concrete, and we should see some information full out here. So we see here it has this information wasn't there, so it now filled out. Go to flowers. Sorry, I didn't save the information here. So now we go to flowers here. Now we're gonna see the information added in here. So basically, I was able to show you how we updated information from access side into the server side on PHP admin. Thanks very much for watching.